Okay, so what do we have here?
Carolina
Why do we look
peach
so
hot
blue?
sauce.
What's
Carolina
it?
peach
Can you
hot
read those
sauce.
words on there?
Yeah. Peaches, garlic, carrots. I can't read that word.
Vidalia.
Onions, apple cider vinegar, sugar, habanero, ghost, Carolina Reaper, Trinidad scorpion peppers, truffle oil, and sea salt.
Nice. Think that's gonna be hot?
Probably.
I don't know. Like it's kind of down the list. The hot stuff, you know, there's more peaches and garlic and carrots and onions in it than there is the pepper. Some of them are just like straight pepper mash things. Okay, so it's Carolina peach hot sauce. It's from the Inferno Candy Company. Another thing that we have from them. It's in a plastic bottle. Just looks like some hot sauce to me. I don't know. You can see little pieces in there, little chunks. Who knows what those are? Maybe they're pepper seeds. I know, there's cat hair on everything. These cats running around our feet as we speak, trying to get everything in the world. So, open this guy up. We're gonna see. Give it a good shake. Got a couple layers of protection here. What do you think?
It smells like peppers.
It smells pretty hot.
It does.
It it smells like peppers. That is the truth. Okay, so we got some chicken nuggies here.
Chicken nuggies.
Oh my god.
That comes out fast.
You ready for that? I'm just gonna eat that since it's on there, so I'll let you do your own poison. Oh, you're going for it. All right.
That's good.
Impressive. That's what I like to see.
It's not as much as you. You just.
Hey, we're gonna find out. It smells hot. It smells
pretty hot.
almost like a Frank's Red Hot kinda. But I don't know. The main ingredient is peaches, so maybe we'll get some peach flavor coming from that. But I don't know. Inferno Candy Company, Carolina Peach hot sauce. So let's see what happens here. You ready? Oh, it's all over your fingers. Yeehaw. Oh, I'm so scared. I hope it's hot.
That's hot.
It is hot.
It's good though. I like the
Oh
taste.
my god. It is
Made me
hot.
sweat.
Oh yeah. And the hiccups. Ooh. That's a hot one.
I was correct.
Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh, what am I doing to myself? Eat these things.
Maybe it has more peppers in it than the other ingredients.
Oh. 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 It really tastes more peppery than anything, though.
It does.
Right? I don't think it tasted more like peaches.
No. I didn't really taste any peaches in it, but it was good.
Ooh. Ooh. Man.
You okay?
No. It's trying to kill me. It definitely tastes like the vinegar and the garlic and the peppers. Oh.
That was pretty hot.
Oh.
It was hotter than I expected.
Yeah, me too. Oh my goodness.
You going again?
Yeah, we got a couple chicken nuggets here. Oh, gotta get rid of them somehow. That is the hot stuff, though.
It is. It's pretty hot.
Holy cow. It's pretty good, though. It's not bad. It's not like a over vinegary sauce or just... I don't know. It just tastes good. Tastes like the peppers. Little vinegar, little garlic.
Yeah.
Man, decent.
I like it. It's definitely making me sweat.
Mm-hmm.
That was way hotter than I expected it would be.
Oh, it really is. It's really hot. It really, really is hot. Man. Like you said, though, it's pretty good. It's good hot sauce. Man. Oh, hiccups might have went away. Maybe it just took another one to get rid of the hiccups.
Maybe.
Maybe that's the secret.
Should do
Get the
that.
hiccups. Eat more. Goes away. What the heck is wrong with me?
Try that in the next video.
Wow. But I don't know. This is really something that would be really good, just like tossed on chicken wings. Like it tastes like a sauce that would be good for wings, for sure.
Yeah.
That's what I thought initially, kind of, you know? It smelled like the Frank's Red Hot almost or something. I don't know. What do you think? Final result.
It's pretty hot, but it's really good.
Pretty hot,
like
but
it.
really good. I like it too. The plastic bottle is a little odd, seeming most things come in glass, but I don't think there's anything wrong with being in a plastic bottle as opposed to a glass one. It won't break when it's getting shipped to you. That's a plus. So, I don't know. For those of you out there that didn't know Inferno Candy Company actually made hot sauces,
I didn't know they made hot sauces.
there you go. There's one. We got a couple more coming up, but that'll be different videos. So, go and get you some. Again, one of our favorite companies that makes hot stuff. So, try them out. Thanks for watching. No more hiccups.
Nope.
No, I know. I'm going to win.
I liked it. It was good.
It was really good. For sure.
The hotness is almost all the way on my mouth, too.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.